Good evening to everybody. What an extraordinary day it has been as the second International Coleras de la Vida 2025 draws to a close. My heart and the heart of Philippines is overflowing with gratitude. We have witnessed not just an exhibit, but a profound display of global unity, talent, and incredible resilience. Especially, we remember the enduring spirit of Mr. Farouk and the continuous support of my wife, Irma. A final thank you to all the amazing Filipino and international artists. You are the lifeblood of this event. To our cherished hosts, Ma'am Karen and Sir Bobby, Sir Bobby Santana of Paraiso de Abilidad, and the exceptional coordinating team, the Paraiso de Abilidad community, especially Joel, and to the San Pablo Tourism, and the San Pablo Tourism, and the Kulay Nagitulawa Group for their unwavering support. May the beauty, the connections, and the inspiration to found here today